This is Absolut Drinks with Rico, and I'm Rico, and today we've got a very special episode because we're going to make a drink to celebrate the world's largest games, which is happening right now. We're gonna set it on fire, that's right. We got a flaming drink, guys. It's gonna get dangerous. So don't forget, light cocktails on fire responsibly. Okay. But why a flaming drink? Well, in these ancient games, ever since they started in ancient Greece, there's always been a flaming torch alongside it. And this torch would stay alit throughout the whole ceremony. So let's not mess around, let's get into it. This is the Absolut torch. It's candy, it's sweet. That's a drink for a celebration, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Get all your comments in the comments because we do read them all and we do react. But first, before we start making our drink, we're gonna answer some questions from you guys in the audience that came from the comments. Thank you, Han. Okay, first question. Why flames in a drink? Very good question. A lot of people know flames from a couple of things. The flaming orange zest in a Cosmopolitan where you flame the orange oils. Tiki drinks have always used flames. Flame is there for theater and aroma release. So we're gonna start by making some ginger juice. Get a nice little piece of fresh ginger. I'm not gonna give you any measurements, just do this by hand, by eye. You don't need to take the skin off. Don't ever think you need to take the skin off for this. All we're gonna do is chop it up. There's no need at all to worry about neatly chopping, neatly dicing. Because like I say, we're gonna make ginger juice. So just get this into small pieces because we're gonna get it into a blender. And that's all we're gonna do. Next up, take our blender. We're gonna add all these pieces of ginger and we're gonna add just enough water to almost cover the ginger. You can do this with some other fruits and vegetables. You can try this with roots. That's it, done. You can see we've got lovely ginger and water all mashed up. We're gonna take this beautiful little funnel and tea strainer. Then we're gonna start to filter this very slowly. This does take a while. Ginger juice, very good in our Absolut Extract cocktails. Check out the Absolut Extract video. So, there we have it, guys. Roughly around 300 mils there of good quality fresh ginger juice. We're gonna put that to one side, and now we're gonna start to really build our drink up. We're gonna do a shake and drink for sure, because we wanna emulsify all these flavors. And we're also gonna do some special garnishes. So, we've got a passion fruit here. We're gonna cut that in half, as you can see, and we're gonna put that straight in to this. Passion fruit's gonna add a little bit of sour, a little bit of acidity, and a little bit of those exotic flavors, but it's also gonna give us a very special garnish. In there right now, we just got the passion fruit pulp. So next up, we're gonna add some lemon juice in there. I forgot to mention we're making two drinks at the same time, guys. So we're gonna wanna put like about 60 mils of lemon juice in. So that will be 30 mils per drink. We're gonna go. So next up, we're gonna take some sugar syrup. Very simple syrup, just 1-to-1 ratio. Check out our simple syrup video if you wanna know how to make it. And we're gonna wanna put 20 mil of sugar syrup per drink. We're also gonna put another little sweetener in there, and we're gonna put 15 ml per drink of lychee liqueur. Very, very exotic liqueur. A flavor of the East, as one used to say. Ooh, I've got no skills anymore. Ooh, that's smelling good. Next up, we're gonna do our ginger juice. This is gonna add a lot of fieriness to it, and we're gonna add 25 mils per drink. We want to make sure that's really fiery because we want this flaming drink to be on fire. And last but not least, again, new bottle, new taste. We got the all new Absolut Citron right here, and we're going to be putting in the magic number 45 per drink. So there we go, 40. Nicely done. We're almost there, guys. The aroma of this drink is quite intoxicating. The lychee is very candy-like. Citron smells good. Okay, there's only one thing to do now. That's ice and shake. We'll take our large tin. We're gonna take our cubed ice to shake all the way to the top. Then we're gonna add our drink. Now we don't want to shake this too hard because there's a lot of juice in here. We're gonna use crushed ice, and I don't want too much dilution. Crushed ice does melt pretty quick, so you want the drink to be as intense as possible before you put it over the crushed ice, because dilution is gonna start pretty quickly. So we're gonna start by icing up these glasses. And whenever you do a crushed ice drink, never fill your glass to the top, because as you pour the drink in, you're gonna see how quickly it just dissolves. So you just wanna make sure you don't go overboard. So we're gonna pour straight in. Yeah, actually, I think we should change the glass. There we have it. Now we're just gonna crown that with some crushed ice. This is gonna be quite an intense drink. So once it's crowned with that little bit of crushed ice, take your favorite soda water or club soda, give it a little, oof, we went over. That's a good drink. So next is the final straw. We're going to stick our vessels of passion right on the top. As you can see, that's an empty passion fruit, got it? So what we're gonna do now is take some classic Absolut 100. We're gonna top these very nicely with a little bit of that vodka. So now we've added the Absolut 100, we're about to set this on fire. Strike a match. Shit. Strike a match. So once your drinks are lit, you can just sprinkle some cinnamon over the top. And you can see the Olympic torch. The way to drink a flaming cocktail actually is you just put the flame out and then drink it. You can do that any way you want. If you need to blow a flame out, just blow on it or just tip it into your drink. We're gonna throw some straws in here right now. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take my Absolut 100, pour it straight in, and taste this, the Absolut torch. It's gonna be messy, you could burn yourself, but the best things in life come to those that don't burn your face on burning alcohol. Oof, that's the Absolut torch, guys. For those of you that know, bingo, bongo. If you don't know, ain't my problem. That is pretty banging, actually. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Get all your comments in the comments, because we do read them all and we do react. This has been Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, the Absolut Torch. Wow.